everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've changed my setup and I prefer it to the other one because at least besides the curtain, it's an empty wall and I hope it's better. I'm back. I'm finally filming again, which is great for me because I haven't filmed in about 2 weeks, and I miss it. I miss talking to myself, to be really honest. So I held another poll on my Instagram that I will put right up here, and I asked my friends online to vote for which video they wanted to see up first between the recreation of my prom look and the Frozen 2 and ColourPop Elsa palette review. So the majority chose for me to recreate my prom look, so that's why I'm here. Okay, so without further ado, I will get started on recreating my prom look. So throughout this video, I will insert pictures randomly all over the video screen of what I looked like during prom, and I will insert like a little really adorable pictures. But first, I will insert my prom makeup look right here, and I went with a maroony, orangey, sunset look. I don't really know. I really didn't have a plan for what look I was trying to go for. I just winged it kind of, and it was pretty. And also, if you can see from the picture that I will put here again, I forgot to put on mascara and lashes, which I'm so annoyed at. So today I will be trying out the entire look with lashes. So to start off, I am going to be priming my eyelid using concealer, and I am not going to be setting it. So as usual, I'll be doing one eye first and then I'll be doing the other eye off camera. So now that the primer is down, I will be taking the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is the first palette I actually had, so I used this palette to create the entire look. So I will be going into the shade Riff right here as my first transition shade, and I will be applying it from the outer corner here all the way into my inner corner. So I'm just packing that shadow on first, just like that, and then slowly fluffing and blending as I'm moving around. Now that the initial transition shade is laid down, I'm going to be putting in the second transition shade, which is Baha right here, and I'll be diffusing it just below the first transition shade. So prom. I've been to 2 proms in my life, and one of them was my boyfriend's high school prom, where all the seniors, they were invited, and he went to an all Chinese school. So I don't understand Chinese apart from some bad words. I know enough to get me into a lot of trouble, but I don't understand Chinese if you speak it to me. So when I went to his prom, I did not understand anything. I just remember just sitting there with my plate of food while the MC was talking behind me, because the stage was behind me. So I'll insert a picture of that here. I didn't really look my best, but I do have a picture of the makeup I did for that prom, and I'll insert it right here. And it is really pretty. It is a gold cut crease, a very simple gold cut crease. So now I'm going to be cutting my crease, and for that I will be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer with just a normal flat brush. So the makeup look that I am recreating, this prom makeup look specifically, is from my college prom. So this particular prom brought me my absolute favorite picture of my boyfriend and I will insert it right here. If you can see closely, my boyfriend does have some of my lipstick on his lips because we did share a very sweet moment before that. But this picture is my favorite picture out of all the pictures we've ever taken together, and that's saying a lot. So next I will be taking the shade Breakaway right here, and I'll be applying it all over that place where I made the cut crease. So this shade has a little, it looks matte, but it has a little bit of shimmer, but I wanted for the shimmer to be a little brighter. So what I did on the day was I took a little bit of highlighter and I applied it to the center. So last but not least, I will be taking the shade Hell Ride, which is this shade right here, which is one of my favorite shades of this palette. And I will be diffusing it at the outer corner and all the way in. I'm just gonna be packing that shade on. And for this shade, I'll be winging it out quite a bit. Alright, so here's what happened. I was filming, or I thought I was filming the fact that I was just cleaning up the edges of this eye look, and then I realized that I didn't press record. So now I will be doing my winged liner, and I'll be using my normal eyeliner that I always use, which is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black Liquid Liner. Okay, so now that I've painstakingly did this and ignore this, my eye is watering, I will be doing my mascara, lashes, and my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So now that that's done, I will be doing my under bottom lash line. It happened again. I'll be doing my bottom lash line, and I will be going into the shade Hell right here, and I'll be smoking it all, like the whole thing. So now to smoke out the outer rim of the shade Hell Ride, I will be going into the shade Riff and just run it right below Hell Ride. So last but not least, I will be applying my liquid lipstick, and today I will be using the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Pure Society, and this is the metallic one. It's like the hot pink metallic one. I chose this one for prom because I wanted to tie it in with the reds and pinks that are you know, in my eye. So I chose this one.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here.
So that, guys, is the end of this video right here, and I actually really enjoyed prom because I went with some of my best friends in the world, and we're still friends to this day. And it was really nice because we all sat at the same table. I had a really good time at prom. I loved my makeup. A lot of people said I looked like Audrey Hepburn that day. I take it as a compliment. It is. Audrey Hepburn's gorgeous. So, the Asian Audrey Hepburn. So that concludes this video, and I will be posting every Thursday as usual. I usually post around 2 o'clock, so I'll probably make that the time, GMT. If you want to, you can like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and show some love to your favorite short girl. So I'll see you next week. Bye!